Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix phone won't turn on issue in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57, you're facing the issue that your phone isn't or your phone is not turning on. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, I recommend you have to go to settings, scroll down, go to software update, make sure that your phone is on charging, and once your phone is on charging, click on the check for updates, and make sure that your network or your internet is connected using your Wi-Fi as well as data, and you might see this type here, your phone software is up to date. If you might get this type notification or your software is up to date, so it means that your phone is up to date. There's a glitch with your phone, or it might be that your battery is dead. So the second thing I recommend you have to make a forced restart with your phone. If your phone has been stuck on it in a boot loop, like your phone is stuck on Samsung logo, you might not get this type screen, or if you might get this type screen, your phone automatically restarts or your phone is stuck in a boot loop. So you have a single way to fix that. You have to press and hold the volume down and power button at the same time, and just keep holding up to 15 to 20 seconds. The very first you might get the black screen here. After a black screen, you might see Samsung logo here, and once you get the Samsung logo, you have to release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, you have to retry to use your phone if it's working well or if your issue has been fixed. But if you might see that your phone isn't fixed or you might still facing the same issue, so there's the only way. You have to change your battery because sometimes it might be that your battery has been dead. I recommend you have to try to check for your battery if it's physically damaged or if it's just, or you can also try to repair this one or you can try to get a new one. But if your phone's battery isn't dead, your phone is up to date, software is updated, but you're still facing the same issue, I recommend you how to insert the charger in your phone. Once your phone is on charging, just scroll down your control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart button again to make a restart again on charging. Or once you are on charging, I recommend you how to make a forced restart. You can also make a regular or a normal restart here. So once your phone has been restarted on charging, you might not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.